Alright. Oh. Alright. Today, doing this. Be Inventors activity. Yay! So, it says, use a pencil, a sharpener, and a bit of string to make a pulley to lift the bottle from your desk. Explain the procedure in making the pulley and your observation of what happened. So, it says, need pencil, a sharpener, and a bit of string to lift the bottle. This is my substitute bottle because I don't have a bottle. We don't have much of anything. So this is my substitute bottle. And if you're wondering what I'm gonna poke the hole through with it, it's these scissors. All right. You need a pencil, sharpener, a bit of string to make a pulley. Okay, so from what I think they're saying, we're supposed to do it like I'm supposed to do it like this, and have it like have it around it right there or whatever. So first of all, you have to make it so that I can lift it from here. That's pretty easy. I can just snip off that end, and it'll allow me to pass the string. Hold on. It'll allow me to pass the string through one end, and hopefully have it end up at the other end. Come on. Oh, almost. Well, yeah, you get the point. Like that. So, now we've got through this. Oh. Okay. I just had a new idea. Maybe they want us to have it like that. But how would that? So, ideally, I think what they want us to do. Hold on. Take this little thing out of here. So then we tie it right here, like this. That's not a tie at all. Uh-oh, this is not going well. Hold on. I'm just using the way I tie shoelaces to tie this on. I think this is how you do it. Okay, there you go. And cut off the extra. Okay, so now we've got this, which can lift it up on its own, but now we need to find a way to make a pulley out of this. So, I wonder how they expected us to, well, I guess, well, it's easier to just do it with the pencil alone, because then you just, yeah. Because I'm not sure how to make the sharpener work. I'm not sure what, like I said before, I'm not sure what type of sharpener they expected us to use, but, I don't see a way to make it work personally. So, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I'm stumped. Okay, so we have this all done. but I don't know how to make the sharpener into a pulley. It just doesn't seem possible to me that such a thing like a sharpener could be a pulley somehow. I feel like it'd just be easier to use just the pencil, but then I wouldn't be exactly following strictly the rules. But I don't see any other way to do it, so just do that. You can just do this. It's much simpler, but I'm guessing they don't want us to do this. Maybe we're supposed to put the sharpener at the end to prevent it from falling off. Yeah, that could work. Alright, I think I've come to my conclusion that this is how I'm gonna have to do it, because I don't know any other way. So this is my pulley. It works well. It's pretty crude, but it works. So now we have to explain the procedure in making the pulley and my observation of what happened. Oh, good thing I have a pencil right next to me. Oops, because I didn't bring a pencil to write with down here. So now I have to do this. There's not really much to talk about when I'm doing it. Ooh. I'm like 10 feet away. But basically, you're supposed to explain how you made it, how you made the pulley, and my observations of what happened. Basically, how did the pulley work, kind of, I guess. So, hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit. Okay. So, as you can see, the pulley worked, I think, relatively well. Well, yeah, it worked relatively well. But, like, I guess, how? I don't know. Explain the procedure in making the pulley. Okay, so I know how I made it, so I'll do that. So you saw how I did it. So I made it by taking a milk carton and cutting off both ends. One end was already done for me though. And putting a string through it. It's burning me. Something's burning me. Then I put the pencil in the sharpener. Then I use the pencil to make the part that it goes around, the string, to make the pulley part, the wheel, no, the axle. Make an axle that the string would rub with the string would I guess glide on, or I don't know. I guess glide on. Glide over. And use the sharpener to stop it from rolling off or sliding off with the pencil. Sliding off the pencil. So now I have to say an observation of what happened. So I'll start by saying my observation was, and then I'll go from there. What was my observation? So I observed that it worked about as well as I thought it would, which is good enough. Everything worked as expected. And what could you call it? And nothing, no problems arise. I guess that'd be it. No problems were found. Alright. That's it. And I'll see you next time.